Have you ever stared at your Primavera P6 schedule and wondered how on earth you're supposed to deliver your project with the resources allocated on screen? Have you spent hours revising and moving activities only to end up with the same bottlenecks, unexpected delays, and spiral of frustration? Maybe you've felt out of control when faced with resource loading across multiple projects, or found yourself guessing when it comes to duration types, resource assignments, and performance tracking. If any part of this describes your experience, you're not alone, and you've arrived at the right place. Welcome to our Primavera P6 Resource Mastery Training, where we're turning overwhelming complexity into clarity and resource headaches into confident, controlled management. Let's get started. Module 1, the fundamentals. Strong plans need solid resource organization. P6 uses hierarchies, the enterprise project structure, EPS, organizational breakdown structure, OBS, and resource breakdown structure, RBS, your project's family tree for people, equipment, and materials. You'll define labor, non-labor, and material resources, assign IDs, units, and availability using resource calendars. Roles act as skill placeholders. Robust coding helps categorize data. While views like the usage profile, spreadsheet, and histogram give instant visual feedback on resource demands. Module 2, Mastering Resource Allocation and Assignments. With resources defined, learn to assign them intelligently. Understand how units time impacts your schedule, especially with multiple resources. But the real key, duration types, fixed duration and units, fixed units, time, fixed work, or fixed duration and work. Each dramatically changes how P6 reacts, making your plan realistic or a source of frustration. Master availability settings, model workflow with resource curves, and grasp effort-driven versus non-effort-driven activities. Module 3, Advanced Resource Leveling and Optimization. When conflicts appear, leveling is key. P6's engine evaluates loads, priorities, and constraints. Fine-tune priorities, run iterative trials, and analyze overallocations to balance resources against deadlines. Primavera's multi-project leveling ensures you're not double-booking critical resources, even across diverse teams. Module 4, Resource Usage Profiles, Histograms, and Analysis. Visualizing data transforms guesswork. Usage profiles show planned versus actual demand, identifying bottlenecks. Histograms offer quick snapshots of workload balance. Dig deeper with usage spreadsheets for granular analysis. Use this insight to forecast needs, prevent shortages, and create targeted reports for your coordination meetings. Module 5, Managing Resource and Role Codes for Effective Analysis and Reporting. Resource and role codes elevate your analysis. Plan an effective code structure for powerful slicing and dicing. Filter by skill, location, or team. Use codes for procurement, capacity planning, and spotting trends. Are teams overloaded? Are cost codes overrunning? Codes help you answer these critical questions. Module 6, Integrating Resource Loading with Earned Value Management. Align your resource plan with cost and schedule performance using EVM. Establish a resource-loaded baseline. Track BCWS, BCWP, and ACWP by resource. Calculate variances and performance indices to make smart decisions. EVM with resource data shines a light on efficiency gaps, empowering you to act before problems escalate. By mastering Primavera P6 resource management, you'll break free from endless cycles of frustration. You'll know how to allocate, analyze, and optimize resources so your projects run smoothly. Your schedules are realistic, your costs come in on target, and nothing slips through the cracks. Welcome to a new era of control. Welcome to Primavera P6 Resource Mastery. Your projects and your peace of mind will never be the same.